Math, Non-Traditional Day 2, Yellow. This is a review of our work from Unit 2. Directions. You have the option to complete this packet, or you can access this paper packet through your Google Classroom. If you go to Google Classroom, you will need to complete the activities on a separate sheet of paper. Go to Boyle County webpage, boyle.kyschools.us. Click on the large G in the upper right-hand corner and sign in using your Boyle County email address. Next, click on the waffle and open Google Classroom. Click on 4th grade math. Follow the directions in the post titled NTI Day 2 Yellow. Put a check beside each step as you complete it. Be sure to complete them in order. Number 1, review the notes on factors on pages 1 and 2 and prime and composite numbers on page 3. Number 2, complete the factors, prime and composite practice sheet on page 4. 3, complete the exit slip on page 5. Identifying factors notes. A factor is a number that can be multiplied by another number to result in a given product. For instance, 3 times 5 equals 15, so 3 and 5 are both factors of 15. In other words, factor times factor equals product. To determine the factors of a given number, you must decide which whole numbers can go evenly into the given number. You can use the divisibility rules to help you. To determine the factor of 36, you need to consider whether 36 is divisible by each of the numbers, and if so, what is the other factor? Number 1, all numbers are divisible by 1 and the number itself, so the first factor pair is 1 and 36. Number 2, next, is 36 divisible by 2? It is even, so yes, it is. 2 times 18 equals 36, so the second factor pair is 2 and 18. Number 3, is 36 divisible by 3? Yes, because 3 plus 6 equals 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. 3 times 12 equals 36, so the third factor pair is 3 and 12. Number 4, is 36 divisible by 4? Yes, because 3 is odd and the last digit is 6. 4 times 9 equals 36, so the fourth factor pair is 4 and 9. Number 5, is 36 divisible by 5? No, because it does not have a 5 or a 0 in the ones place. Number 6, is 36 divisible by 6? Yes, because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. 6 times 6 equals 36, so that is the final factor pair. You can organize your factors into a T-chart, a list, or a factor rainbow. Here are the different ways you can show the factors of a number. Factor rainbow for 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. A T-chart, 36, 1, 36, 2, should be 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, should be 6, and 6. And a list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. You would not write 6 twice because it's just repeating itself. Prime and composite numbers notes. A prime number is a number that has exactly 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. This means it can only be divided evenly by 1 and the number itself. So 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 and 5 are the only numbers that multiply together to equal 5. A composite number is a number that has 3 or more factors. This means it can be divided evenly by 3 or more different numbers. So 1 times 6 equals 6, and 2 times 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6 are all numbers that multiply to equal 6. To determine if a number is prime or composite, you simply need to identify all of the factors of that number and determine if the total number of factors is exactly 2, and therefore the number is prime, or 3 or more factors, and therefore the number is composite. Factors, prime, and composite practice. Determine if the following numbers are prime or composite by identifying all of the factors of these numbers. Be sure to show all of the factors by using a factor rainbow, a T-chart, or a list. Numbers, factors, prime or composite. 123, 181, 2, 208, 99. 129. Exit slip. Number 1. Which of the following numbers is prime? A 2, B 4, C 6, D 8. Number 2. Which of the following numbers is composite? A 37, B 39, C 41, D 43. Number 3. List all of the factors of 32 and tell if it is prime or composite.